Have you ever thought about how to stay ahead in the AI revolution? Are you excited to learn the necessary skills to not just survive, but excel in this fast-changing world? Well, in this video, we'll reveal the 9 most crucial AI skills you should start learning immediately. These skills will keep you ahead of 97% of others. They aren't technical, so anyone, no matter their job or field, can benefit from them. Make sure to watch till the end because we've saved the most exciting one for last. Let's dive into number 9. AI-powered personal branding in the age of AI. Personal branding has evolved with the help of AI tools, giving you the chance to create a unique and memorable brand that really stands out. Think of your personal brand as a puzzle, with each piece showing who you are, what you believe in, and what you bring to the table. Now imagine using AI to enhance each piece of that puzzle, making it even more vibrant and captivating. For instance, you can use AI to create stunning logos that represent your brand visually. AI-powered content tools can help you craft engaging articles and social media posts that highlight your expertise in leadership. Even your online interaction can be improved with AI. Virtual assistants can manage your social media presence, engage with your audience, and maintain a consistent brand image across different platforms. Let's consider a freelance graphic designer looking to build their personal brand. They can use AI-powered design tools to create eye-catching portfolio pieces that showcase their skills and creativity. Moving on to number 8. Prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is like mastering the art and science of asking the AI right questions to get the outcomes you desire. If AI is like a genie in the bottle, crafting the right prompt is like making the perfect wish. Without it, you might not get what you want. To be a good prompt engineer, you need to understand the context, be precise with your language, and anticipate possible responses. Imagine you're a content writer tasked with writing a blog post about the benefits of dating apps. Instead of a generic prompt like write a blog about dating apps, you could create a more specific and engaging one, like you are now an expert relationship coach. Write a blog post about the top 5 benefits of using dating apps for men. This way, you help the AI generate content that's more relevant and appealing to your target audience. Now let's explore number 7. Data storytelling and visualization. This skill is all about turning raw data into compelling stories and visuals, making your findings easier to understand and more persuasive. In the age of AI, as machines becomes better at crunching numbers, our ability to make sense of that data becomes increasingly valuable. Imagine a nonprofit working to address the global water crisis. With data storytelling, they can turn complex data about water scarcity, usage patterns, and environmental factors into a narrative that inspires action. They could create interactive maps showing water scarcity severity or develop animated infographics illustrating the impact of water-saving initiatives. Similarly, picture a product manager at a tech company who needs to present user data. Instead of drowning colleagues in spreadsheets, they can use data storytelling to create a concise and engaging presentation. They can draft a narrative highlighting user pain points and showcasing the potential of proposed solutions, all supported by visually appealing and easy-to-understand graphics. Let's dive into number 6. AI business strategy and implementation. In today's ever-changing AI landscape, having a smart business strategy and a clear plan for putting it into action is absolutely key to staying ahead. But what exactly does this involve? And why is it so vital? Well, it's about identifying opportunities to use AI in your organization, understanding the potential risks, and creating a roadmap to achieve your goals. Essentially, it's about using AI to boost innovation, efficiency, and your competitive edge. Imagine a retail company wanting to optimize its supply chain with AI-driven forecasting and inventory management. By doing so, they can make their operations smoother, reduce waste, and increase profits. The key to success here is crafting a comprehensive AI strategy that also addresses issues like data privacy and making sure your employees are equipped with the right skills. Now into number 5. Creative AI thinking. This skill is all about thinking outside the box. when it comes to AI. It's about envisioning new and groundbreaking uses for AI technology beyond the usual applications. But why is this skill so crucial in the AI revolution? Well, AI is changing the world in ways we've never seen before. Creative AI thinking helps us discover new possibilities, solve complex problems, and take our work to the next level. Imagine an artist who uses AI to create stunning one-of-a-kind visuals for their digital art. By tapping into AI's pattern recognition and generative abilities, they can push the boundaries of traditional art. Similarly, a musician could use AI to compose music that breaks free from the usual genres and styles, opening up new frontiers in composition. Number 4. AI project management. As AI becomes more prevalent across industries, the need for skilled AI project managers is on the rise. But what does it take to excel in this role, and why is it so critical in the age of AI? Well, AI project management is a unique blend of technical and non-technical skills. You'll need to understand the technology, coordinate different teams, manage expectations, and keep a close eye on budgets and timelines. Imagine you're tasked with implementing an AI-powered customer service chatbot for a major airline. As the AI project manager, you'll need to work closely with stakeholders, identify their needs, and make sure the chatbot aligns with the airline's brand and service standards. You'll also need to anticipate potential challenges like language barriers or technical integration issues and come up with plans to tackle them. Number 3. Curiosity and continuous learning. In the ever-changing world of AI, these traits are your secret weapons for staying ahead of the game. But why are they so crucial, and how can you nurture them in your professional journey? Well, embracing curiosity and continuous learning means keeping up with the latest AI developments, trying out new tools, and being open to feedback and change. By adopting this mindset, you'll be well prepared to adapt to the evolving AI landscape and seize emerging opportunities. Imagine a marketing pro stumbling upon an AI-powered tool that could supercharge their advertising campaigns. Fueled by curiosity, they dive in, learning the tools inside and out, testing different features and configurations to uncover the winning strategy. By embracing continuous learning, not only do they enhance their skill set, but they also unlock new possibilities for their organization. Now, on to number 2. Natural Language Processing, or NLP. While it might sound technical, having a basic grasp of NLP is gold in the AI revolution. NLP is all about understanding and making sense of human language. Understanding its fundamental equips you to work with AI systems that handles text or speech, design user-friendly interfaces, and ensure AI-generated content is both relevant and top-notch. Think about a social media manager using NLP-powered sentiment analysis tool to gauge public opinion on a new product launch. By grasping the principles of NLP, the manager can fine-tune their queries, interpret results, and devise more effective strategies for engaging their audience. Number 1. Having an intuitive understanding of AI limitations. Recognize these limitations is a critical skill for making informed decisions, managing risks, and championing responsible AI practices. So what does it mean to have these intuitive understanding, and why is it essential today? It means knowing when AI can be a valuable tool and when it might not be the best choice. It also involves being aware of potential ethical concerns and biases. This skills allows you to strike the right balance between harnessing AI's capabilities and avoiding its pitfalls. Imagine a recruiter using AI-powered tools to sift through job applications. They must be cautious not to unintentionally introduce bias into the hiring process. By understanding the limitations of the AI system, the recruiter can ensure that technology is used ethically and responsibly, promoting a more diverse and inclusive workplace. And there you have it, folks. We've covered some truly game-changing AI skills in this video, from AI-powered personal branding to creative AI thinking, and even understanding AI limitations. Now here's the exciting part. I want to hear from you. Which of these AI skills resonates with you the most? And how do you plan to apply it in your professional journey? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Let's spark a conversation and learn from each other as we navigate the incredible world of AI. And remember, the AI revolution is happening right now, and these skills are your passport to success. So keep learning, stay curious, and embrace the power of AI to shape a brighter future for yourself and the world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting AI insights. Until next time.